Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we're gonna make the vase. So let's begin. First select the top plane and click on sketch. And now we will use this hexagon tool. Click at the origin, drag it out. 6, click OK. And now we will set its dimensions to 3 inches. Great. Let's change it to the top view and make sure that this point and this plane is on the same line. Click OK. Now we're going to repeat this, going 1 inch interval up each time. But to do this, first let's copy the sketch, and let's add a new plane using the plane tool. Now as you can see, it's 1 inch up. So click OK, double click, select the plane, double click, and paste sketch. Now when we go into the sketch, we can offset it, but before that we again need to center it at the origin, escape, and rotate it. And the easiest way is to make this line horizontal. Great. Click OK, and we will repeat those steps again over and over again. And now what we will do, we will connect each single point to the other single point using this bridge curve tool. Click on it. Now select the starting position and the end position, and it will create the line. Click OK, and now you will just need to show those sketches back and repeat this process over and over again until all of those points are connected to one another. Watch out, you cannot use 2 points in a row in the start box because you need to unselect it and put it into the end position box. Now as you can see, I had finished all the lines, and it's time to use the Loft tool to create the surface. And for the Loft tool, you will just select 2 of those lines, and due to the complexity of the geometry, we cannot use extrude surface because it will create the following, which as you can see is not ideal for our vase. So let's delete the extrude and use the Loft tool and 2 edges. Click OK. And now basically I will redo it with 2 edges. It will be add to create a completely new surface. As you can see, now we have only 1 part left, and it's very important to select those 2 lines, click on the Loft, and click OK. Now as you can see, this is a 1 solid block, and this can be proven by using the section view. As you can see, it's not hollow inside, and it's 1 big part. So remove the section view. So now we on to our last step. We're gonna use the shell function to remove the material inside of the part, and we will set the wall thickness to 0.2 inches. As you can see, it's fully hollowed out,